thank you for your patience when we are dealing with a very important matter of recommitting Kenya mama yangu, Kenya baba yetu, hatutakuacha milele. That composition by the late Kakai of Kilimambogo Boys is a very iconic composition. And whoever played it actually has talked to some of us. So it is in that spirit of building one strong nation, recommitting ourselves to the ideals of who we are as a people, as a nation, that we have been holding consultations as of now as united opposition, mainly opposition parties who have presented candidates for the November 27th by-election. And in this case, the three parties, the Democratic Action Party of Kenya, Wiper Patriotic Front, and Democratic Citizens Party, DCP. So we've been consulting between ourselves, and we realize the contest before Kenyans, the choice they're going to be making on 27th, is really between the proponents of one term na wale wengine. So tunaona kwamba hii campaign ambayo sasa imeanza, na tunashukuru wenzetu, tuanze hapo. DCP walikubali kwamba kwa upande wa Bere North support, na sisi zote to support candidate Bwana Karish, candidate wa chama cha DP, Democratic Party. Vile vile kwa upande wa Malava, wenzetu wa DAP Kenya, wenzetu wa DCP vile vile wakiongozwa hata that level. Kwa DCP ndugu Senator Malala na wenzake, Mheshimiwa Gavana Natembea, wenzetu Eugene Wamalwa, wakakubaliana, wakazungumza mazungumzo ambayo sio rahisi. I can tell you that to get a candidate to say okay, I agree. I gave him the example of what I did when we were proposing Baba's last attempt in 2022, when I remember in Jacaranda, at Jacaranda grounds, nikasema for the third time and unconditionally I was prepared to support Raila Amolo Odinga. And that decision was not easy, but it really had serious implications. The results is what we know. I don't believe Raila lost and mother, but the jury is still out there, okay? But that is, some of these decisions are important. These candidates in these three, Malava, Bere North, Magarini, and of course we have candidates in Kasipul, Kabondo, and Unguja. In fact, Wiper as a very strong candidate in Unguja. But we didn't, my friends here did not suggest candidates in those places, so Wiper is on the ground very strongly in Unguja. But these three constituencies are also key, and we therefore have agreed as follows. Number one, we affirm the decision of DCP to cede ground in Malava for DAP candidate, and you'll be seeing them here, DAP Kenya. Similarly, in Magarini, Wiper Patriotic Front seized ground to the candidate of DCP, and they are both here. And after serious consultations, we have decided to take that position. Nothing like Samuel Zai, who is here, my party candidate, stands very strong, very tall and confident. Na vile vile DCP, Bwana Stanley Kenga, who, by the way, had lost by only 23 votes in the last general election. And he took over the matter all the way to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court agreed with him. This is why there's a by-election in Magarini. We believe that their combined effort will secure a win for the united opposition. And so it has not been easy, but that's what we have agreed on, and nothing like kwamba Bwana Nzai ameshawishiwa hapa na pale ama kitu kama hicho. Kwa hivyo wana Magarini, tunawasihi muwapokee hawa wenzetu wawili hapa wakishikamana pamoja kwa niaba ya upinzani, na si upinzani kwa muda mrefu, kwa siku ambazo zimesalia united opposition, the next government in waiting, ili tuanze kabisa kuwaonyesha hawa walioko kwa mamlaka kwamba wakati wao umekwisha. So we had also a similar thing in Narok town ward, right? Yeah. Pale Narok unakiangalia ule kijana pale ile, amejipamba kama mwana Wiper. Lakini tukaangalia kwa kimakini, tukafanya mazungumzo ya wazee wengine hapa, kina Maina Kamanda na wazee wengine, tukasema sisi wana Wiper vile vile tutamsupport Bwana Masikonde wa chama cha DCP. Ilitokea wazi kwamba Bwana Masikonde sio kwamba yeye ni maarufu, ile maarufu ni DCP na ni Rigiji upande kule, upande wa Narok. So tutashikamana sisi zote, kijana wetu yule tutasonga mbele na yeye. Kwa hivyo wazee, na washukuruni sana pia watu wa Narok town, mpokee Bwana Masikonde, is not here with us, na wa DCP, kwamba DCP tuwasukume kabisa vile ambavyo mnaweza, Wamasai wote na jamii zote. In fact hapo Narok alitoka jamaa mwingine kabla ya candidate wetu huyo, akaja Mkamba sema anataka tikiti ya Wiper pale Narok. So jamii zote ziko kila mahali. So we are taking that position, and we are also giving a message to the country kwamba kwa kitendo hichi tunaonyesha wazi kwamba sisi timu ya united opposition, we are truly united, and we continue to consort into every difficult situation, because after consultation, William Ruto will definitely and absolutely be one term. Kwa hivyo I want now to see the ground. I think I want to maybe to piga picha nao jamaa wawili hapa, Bwana Stanley Kenga na Bwana Zai. These are the two guys tunawapatieni. We give you Stanley pale na Bwana Zai. Asanteni. Now I cede the ground to DAPK.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Wanasema dalili ya mvua ni mawingu, kwamba hawa watu wa upinzani hawezi wakaungana.